If you're wondering how to organize brand assets in your social scheduler, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to streamline your brand's content so you can schedule it efficiently and keep your marketing process smooth and consistent. Stay tuned because I'll also reveal an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using just for viewers of this channel. Let's jump right in. First, you want to get all your brand assets together in one place. This includes things like logos, color palettes, images, and any design templates you use regularly. Having these assets centralized will save you time when scheduling posts, ensuring you're always consistent with your branding. Once you've collected your assets, upload them to the software you're using to schedule posts. The software we'll be using makes this incredibly easy, with a drag and drop interface that allows you to upload and organize everything quickly. Whether you're using logos, photos, or promotional graphics, it's all about having it accessible and ready to go. Next, categorize your assets. You want to organize by type, so all your images in one folder, your logo files in another, and perhaps a specific folder for holiday-themed posts or upcoming campaigns. This categorization helps you find exactly what you need in seconds, which is key when you're managing multiple social media accounts and campaigns. Once your assets are uploaded and categorized, it's time to label and tag them. The software makes this part easy too. By tagging each asset with keywords like spring sale or 2025 collection, you can quickly filter through your assets based on the campaign or promotion you're working on. This method will keep your workflow moving fast and efficiently, especially when you're planning content ahead of time. Now, let's talk about scheduling. The real power of your social scheduler comes from the ability to schedule content in advance, but it all starts with knowing where your assets are. Once everything's organized, you can drag your assets directly into your content calendar, adjusting the date and time for each post. By scheduling your posts in bulk, you can free up time in your day for other tasks while still keeping your social media presence active and on brand. One last tip: regularly review and update your assets. As your brand evolves, so do your brand assets. Make sure to revisit your folders every few months to add new designs, update logos, and discard anything that's no longer relevant. This way, you'll always have a fresh set of assets ready to go when you need them. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Organizing your brand assets in your social scheduler is all about centralizing, categorizing, and tagging to ensure you're able to work faster and more efficiently while keeping your brand consistent. Remember, the software we used for this tutorial offers a free trial exclusively for viewers of this channel. Take advantage of it by checking the link in the description below. It's the perfect way to follow along and try out these features yourself. To quickly review, start by collecting and uploading your assets, categorize and tag them for easy filtering, then drag them into your calendar to schedule posts in bulk. Don't forget to update your assets regularly to keep your brand fresh. Thanks for watching and be sure to grab that free trial below. Happy scheduling.